Today is Wednesday, 12 August. Today we start the subject English. Open your English book and page number 15. Our second chapter is How They Grow. Warm up. In the space below, draw pictures or paste photographs of yourself. Students, here in these two blocks, in first block, as a baby, you paste the photograph of your as a baby, and then in this block you paste the photograph of your as you are now. That means you are fresh photograph. Okay, and then think about, do you look the same or different? Okay students, then open the page number 16. How does a butterfly grow? First, it's a tiny egg. Then it becomes a caterpillar. It eats a lot of leaves and it grows and grows. It goes inside a cocoon. One day it comes out. It's a butterfly. See, this is the life cycle of butterfly. How butterfly is birth. First, it is the egg, tiny egg. Then, it becomes a caterpillar. Then, it eats many leaves and grows and goes inside in a cocoon. Then, it becomes a butterfly. Then, how does a frog grow? First, it is an egg in the water. Soon the egg is tadpole. It eats little plants and it grows and grows. One day, it hops out of the pond and it's a frog. Student, this is the life cycle of frog. First, it is an egg. Then it becomes a tadpole. Then it becomes a frog. Then how does a flower grow? First, it's a seed. The seed needs sun and water to grow. Then roots go down into the soil. The plant grows and grows. One day a bud opens. It's a flower. See, this is the life cycle of flower. First, you sow the seeds in the soil. Then, give it the sunlight and some water. After this, the seeds grows the roots into the soil in the down. Then, it becomes a flower. Okay. On page number 17, reading. Answer the questions. Students, here 4 questions given. You should write these questions and its answers in your English notebook. After it, complete the chart. Here, you complete this chart. This is the chart of life cycle of caterpillar and frog. You should write the sequence. How caterpillar grows. First, it is a tiny egg. So, you should write here egg. After it becomes caterpillar. Then, it becomes a butterfly. Then, this is the frog's life cycle. First, it is also the egg. Then, you write here egg. After egg, it becomes a tadpole. And after tadpole, it becomes a frog. So, you should write here tadpole. Okay. You should also draw these in your English notebook. On page number 18, Look at the pictures and name each picture. Then write the complete word. See. Butter plus fly. It becomes butterfly. As this, you should write the names of these pictures and make a word. So this is the door and this is bell. So door plus bell, it becomes doorbell. Foot plus ball, it becomes football. After it, sun plus flower, it becomes sunflower. Rain plus bow, it becomes rainbow. You should write these names at these places. After it, on page number 20, look at the pictures and complete the sentences using the words. Students, here you give the 4 words and some incomplete sentences is given with these pictures. You should complete these sentences using these words. So, first is, one day the egg, student see. In this picture, the egg is breaks. So, student, you should write here, one day the egg breaks. This word is right here. Then a ... comes out. Students, see this picture. This is a chick. So you should write here, a chick comes out. After this, the hen lays and ... Student, you should write here egg, this word. Then the hen lays an egg. After this, see this picture. The hen is sitting on the eggs. So she ... on the eggs for many days. So you should write here the word sits. Student, you should also write this in your English notebook. Then phonic practice. Listen and repeat. So first, hen, pen, main, ten, den. 10 pens. A hen in a den. Men with pen. On page number 21, listen and repeat. Tap, pat. Top, hat. Teen, sit. Tub, butt. Ten, tot. Dean, had. Duck, pad. Dog, hid. Bird, dad, sad. Teen, tub, top, pat. Dean, dug, dog, pad. Bird, hid, hat, sat. Bird, hid, had, sat. Dad's had a dog in a tub, pat the duck. After this, listen and color the parts of a plant. Then label the parts. Student, you see this picture. First, you color this picture with the crayons and then name the parts. This is leaves. So you should name this as a leaves. This is roots. So you should name this as a roots. And this is a stem. You should name this stem. And this is a flower. You should name this as flower. Okay, students.